Today we are working on Excel Lesson 8, the 8th lesson using the Document Inspector. So this is what you should have open. Click File. In the Info screen, click Check for Issues right here, and then click Inspect Document. This window shows items in your workbook that the Document Inspector reports. You can then choose which items to keep or remove. Leave all default options unchanged and click Inspect. The items that the Document Inspector identified and which you may choose not to share if you intend to distribute this document to others are displayed. Document Inspector provides the option to remove the items automatically so that you do not have to remove them manually. Scroll down the Document Inspector window to look for all sections that show the exclamation mark icon that need your attention. You see these right here. Scroll back up to the top and click Remove All. The Document Properties and Personal Information section now show a check mark to show that the issues have been resolved. You can do a re-inspection to check again. Click Re-inspect and then click Inspect. Scroll down the document window to look for any sections that show the exclamation mark icon. Close the dialog box. Click Properties and then Advanced Properties. Notice that the author, title, subject, keywords, category, and status fields, they are all blank. Click OK. Mark as answered. Submit. Submit results. One green check mark, and this completes using the Document Inspector.